Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the Cluster Stripes Stitch pattern. For this pattern, you'll need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do double crochets. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 7. Once you have all your chains, you want to start off by chaining 4. And in the 6th chain from the hook, right there, you want to work your first double crochet cluster of 3. So how that'll look is it'll be 3 double crochets that'll equal into 1 stitch. And I've lost where my thing was at, so I'm just fighting with that. So you'll insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, insert your hook into the same thing, and then you have 4 loops on your hook and you pull through all 4. Then you chain 1. You're going to skip the next stitch and you're going to work 4 double crochets until the end of the row. So how a double crochet cluster is as you pull through your first 2 loops, but you leave your 3rd loop on your hook. And then when you're ready, you'll have 4 loops, and then you can pull through all 4 loops. So for row 2, we're going to chain 2, and we are going to work 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. Followed by chaining 1. Skipping 1 stitch, and in the chain 1 space from the row below, we are going to work a 3 double crochet cluster. Oop, I lost my loops off my needle. Then we'll chain 1. We're going to skip 1, and in that chain 4 from the row below, we are going to work a double crochet. So turning our work, we'll start on row 3 and we are going to chain 3. We are going to skip the first stitch and we are going to work a 3 double crochet cluster in that chain 1 space. Followed by chaining 1, skipping 1, and then we will work a double crochet into that chain 1 space from the row below, followed by working 3 double crochets until the end of the row. The repeat for this pattern will be rows 2 and 3, and you'll end up getting an amazing texture. So you kind of see how they're staggered on top of each other here, and you can see it in this pattern here. And that is how you do the Cluster Stripes Stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.